Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching SW Maps and creating a new project. Select the coordinate reference system that matches your survey. Once done, pick a base map layer and verify GPS signal strength. This ensures positional accuracy. Make sure to enable location and storage permissions so the app can save tracks and photos. Tap Create Project, name it, and choose Snapshot Interval. This first setup step captures the essentials so all later data layers align and export cleanly. You now collect features. Use the point, line, and polygon tools to map objects and immediately add attribute values. This enforces consistent data. Once you add a feature, attach photos or notes to document condition or metadata. While mapping, toggle track logging and set a sampling interval that balances battery life and precision. If needed, apply an accuracy filter to ignore weak GPS fixes. Also, organize layers and freeze those complete to avoid accidental edits as you proceed. You complete the workflow by exporting the project in your preferred format, GeoJSON, KML, shapefile, or GeoPackage, and choose to embed or link media files. Once exported, open the file in Desktop GIS to validate geometries and attributes. This prevents surprises during analysis. If exports fail or features are missing, check app permissions, ensure high-accuracy GPS mode, and restore from the project backup. Finally, keep an incremental export habit so one bad session won't cost you all data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.